If you're over 50 and looking for ways to stay youthful and vibrant, this video is for you. Today, we're diving into the top 10 anti-aging drinks that can help you look and feel amazing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with all our wellness tips. Now, let's get into it. Before we start, let's talk about why hydration is so crucial as we age. Keeping hydrated helps maintain your skin's elasticity and assists in various bodily functions, including digestion and detoxification. But not all drinks are created equal when it comes to anti-aging benefits. Let's explore which drinks can give you an extra edge. Number 1. Green tea. First on our list is green tea. Packed with powerful antioxidants called catechins, green tea helps to fight free radicals and can reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It's a perfect drink to support skin health and overall longevity. Number 2. Pomegranate juice. Next up is pomegranate juice. This vibrant fruit juice is not only delicious but is also rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants that protect your skin from environmental damage and promote collagen production. Number 3. Water. Never underestimate the power of simple water. It's perhaps the most important drink for maintaining hydration and helping your skin stay plump and smooth. To make it more appealing, add slices of lemon or cucumber for an extra vitamin boost. Number 4. Bone broth. Bone broth is up next. It's rich in collagen, which is fantastic for skin elasticity and reducing the signs of aging. Plus, it supports joint health, a must-have as you age. Number 5. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is another great choice. Ginger is an anti-inflammatory powerhouse that can help reduce puffiness and promote a healthy digestive system, which is crucial for clear skin. Number 6. Beet juice. Beet juice is not only known for its distinctive color but also for its ability to help increase blood flow to the skin, giving you a natural, healthy glow while also delivering powerful nutrients. Number 7. Turmeric milk. Turmeric milk, or golden milk, is a fantastic drink before bedtime. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help combat age-related changes in your body and keep your skin looking youthful. Number 8. Kefir. Kefir, a fermented milk drink, is full of probiotics that are essential for gut health. A healthy gut often reflects in the form of vibrant, clear skin. Number 9. Coconut water. And don't forget coconut water. This hydrating drink is filled with electrolytes and potassium, which help maintain your body's fluid balance and keep your cells functioning optimally. Number 10. Aloe vera juice. Last but not least, aloe vera juice. Known for its healing properties, drinking aloe vera can help soothe the skin and improve skin hydration. There you have it, 10 fantastic drinks that can help you fight aging from the inside out. Remember, consistency is key. So try incorporating these drinks into your daily routine for the best results. Have you tried any of these drinks before? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Make sure to follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to live your healthiest life. Cheers to your health.